everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ali. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my recipe on how to make shrimp cocktail or cóctel de camarones. This recipe is so delicious and I can't wait for you guys to try it at home. Our ingredients are, we're going to need cilantro, we're going to need some shrimp, lime juice, imitation crab meat, salt, ketchup, olive oil, clam juice, and some clamato. We're going to need cucumbers and a half an onion. You guys are also going to need a large bowl because we're going to mix all these ingredients in here. Yesterday I went to Costco and I got my shrimp there. This is a pretty good sized bag. It's 2 pounds and see, it's 2 pounds, and I like it because the tail already comes off the shrimp. Normally, sometimes if you buy them at the grocery store, they come with the little tail that's on them, and then you have to take one by one. So Costco has pretty good stuff, so I recommend getting your shrimp from Costco. And what else did I get at Costco? Well, I guess that's it. But okay, let's get started. First step is I'm gonna work on my juice or my sauce. I'm gonna start off first with 2 cups of ketchup. I'm gonna leave everything out here because sometimes I need extra, so I don't want to put anything away and then having to go back and get it. So 2 cups of ketchup. And remember that if you guys need any more, when you guys are done making your cocktail, you guys could always add more ketchup, more clamato. That's why it's always better to start with less, and then you guys could add some more later. I'm gonna add 1 whole cup of clamato. And this is half a cup of lemon juice. I have a lemon tree outside of my house, so it makes it pretty easy. So what I did earlier, I got my lemon squeezer and I made you guys some fresh lemon juice. If you guys don't have any lemons at home, sometimes they have the lemon juice, so you guys could use that. So we're gonna mix these together. I'm also gonna add this is a tablespoon of the olive oil. I really like this recipe because you don't have to be watching it, you don't have to be over the stove. You can't burn anything. Basically, nothing could go wrong. You guys are just mixing things as you go. Okay, so my sauce looks good. I'm gonna start working on my veggies, my vegetables. I'm gonna cut up, let me move stuff out of the way. I'm gonna cut my tomatoes. And you know what? I'm cutting the tomatoes and I'm just remembering that I forgot to tell you guys one of the most important ingredients also. I forgot to tell you guys are gonna need avocados. And I will put that in my ingredient list at the end, but I am gonna have to get my avocados. I thought I had everything, sorry. Okay, so you guys are gonna want to cut your tomatoes and your cucumbers, everything like this, all in small pieces. And we're gonna add all of these ingredients into our bowl. Okay, I'm gonna cut the rest of my veggies and then we'll be right back so I can show you the way they look, and we'll be ready for the next step, okay? Okay, so I have most of my veggies in this bowl. I'm only missing the cilantro. I wanted to tell you guys a little bit about the cilantro. It comes in a bundle like this, and it does come with these long stems. Some people remove them, they break them in half either with their hands or with the knife. And what I do, that's what I do. I just break it apart and then I use this part. But before using it, I like to wash it. You have to rinse it out because It might have dirt, so you never know. So I'm gonna add my cilantro to the bowl. And my next step is to, let me take this out of my way. Next step is to do the crab meat. So I'm gonna add I'm gonna mix in all the veggies here, and I'm gonna do the crab meat. And then I'm also gonna add my clam juice once I start adding all my seafood. There's no way that you can mess up this recipe, but my mom gave me some advice, and she said that the only thing she recommends is for me to tell you guys to always add the avocado last, because since we're gonna be mixing this in, you don't wanna make the avocado too mushy, almost like a guacamole, right? So you wanna keep it whole, and that's why she told me, Ali, remember to tell all your viewers to add the avocado last. So there you go. Words of advice from my mom. So I added all my meat in here, all my crab meat. So I'm gonna mix it in, and the next step is to add my shrimp. I'm also gonna do 1 tablespoon of the clam juice. I'll mix in my shrimp. And remember, we're gonna do the avocado last. When you guys are mixing in your coquetel de camarón and you guys see it a little dry, you guys can add more clamato, okay? So I might add maybe half a cup to mine, but I'll wait once I'm done with my avocado. For the avocado, I keep it here in the shell, and I just kind of cut it. And I'm gonna use the same spoon to scoop it out. Seeing you guys, you're able to get all the avocado out. And then just do that to all the avocados. So this is my finished product right here. This delicious coquetel de camarones. For added taste, some people would like to add extra salt. And also, if you guys want a little bit of spice, you guys could cut up a chile jalapeño and add it to the mix. Here in the family, my youngest daughter, she doesn't like spicy food, so I'm just gonna leave it out. And I'm gonna be eating this today with some saltine crackers. These go pretty well together, or some people like eating it with tostadas, but this is what I'm gonna do today. This is gonna be my dinner. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. I hope you guys try it at home. And please comment on my channel, like, do not forget to subscribe. Recommend me to all your friends and family members. Let them know about this coquetel de camarón. It will come perfect for Mother's Day. That's a good recipe. It keeps mom out of the kitchen, and you guys could all come together and make this for her. I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you one more time. I'm gonna put this on my saltine, and this is how you do it. Okay, provecho.